Can you explain to our viewers, for those who may not be familiar, what is MCP in a layman's term?
Sure. Yeah. I mean, the Model Context Protocol was really only introduced this year, but it is a protocol. So it's a way of communicating that is effectively built so that you can tell an LLM what tools it has available to it and how to use those tools. So most MCP servers are relatively simple. They often connect to databases or application APIs, and where the good ones provide all the context necessary for the models to understand how to use the tools. And so once I had those, then I could talk to any kind of chat client, your Claude desktops, your chat GPTs, and say, hey, search my email for an email last week about the new shoes I ordered and find out when they're coming. And by giving it that context of look in my Gmail, it's going to know to call the tools it has available, one of which is a Gmail tool, then to see that it has the ability to search. So it then would, inside of that context, it would tell it, here's the kind of information I need to do a search. And so when it has that context, it allows the LLM to say, oh, cool, I can search this email. And it would have a different tool to search Outlook, and it might have a different tool to search the web, and it might have another tool to write posts to your WordPress blog or to update your X feed if you had API access to X. So you can build tools and to connect to really anything, and they don't have to be APIs, though a lot of them are. There are thousands of official MCPs coming from vendors, and this MCP protocol is turning out in a lot of ways to be a bit like HTTP as a protocol we use to pass websites, right? Something that engineers can use to put functionality in the hands of chatbots and AI agents and users consuming, ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or any other kind of chat. So MCP seems to be really gaining a lot of traction as a standard that's going to allow us to build kind of the agentic web or the agentic, platforms that I think a lot of us envision AI turning into.